Hey everyone, this is Josh from Hounder. Wanted to share with you what a headless CMS is. There's a lot of questions, a lot of conversations about what is a headless CMS. You know, it's a CMS without a head on it. I don't understand, right? So this is going to just be a real quick, short video explanation of what a headless CMS is. When we look at it, we look at traditional CMS today, where whether you're in WordPress, Drupal, Sitecore, Adobe Sites, whatever it may be, it always starts right with the content creation. This is where your writers, your editors, your graphic designers update the content, and then that gets into a database, right? It goes into a content database, and then it gets delivered. And this is where, in this area, is where your developers usually are, right? Building out specific templates, designs, things like that, and then it outputs to web pages. So this is what traditional CMS is today. When we look at headless CMS, quite simply, we'll just remove these pieces here. And headless CMS really it's just a CMS. It's now just decoupled. Your content is now decoupled from the presentation layer, meaning you can now build a website, an app, and whatever you want to build it in, it's not tied to the CMS anymore. So what this looks like is you have your content creation, it gets put into a database, but the only difference is this content is now web driven. So there's an API that delivers the content through a raw data format, and most commonly in JSON. And now it is delivered to any application you want it to go to, whether it be a website, or a mobile app, or a digital kiosk for one of your events, or even like when we look at the Internet of Things, even for content into a fridge or your Apple TV, or your car or anything like that. So it's really the headless CMS part is just a CMS that updates your content purely, and then everything else will just it's driven through an API and gets delivered to whatever type of application that you have or want. So that's what it is. Would love to answer any questions you may have. There's great questions like, when should I look at headless CMS? When is it not a good idea to do a headless CMS? These are all great questions, and we'd love to help you with it. Thanks again. Hope this helped. Bye.